Hello and welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. 2019 marks the 60th anniversary of the Mini. To celebrate that, I'm doing a video every 26th of the month from January till August 2019, because then it will be 60 years ago the Mini was released. I show a different diecast brand every episode. So far I have done Matchbox and Hot Wheels. This time it will be Schuco. Schuco is owned by the Simba Dickey Group that also owns Majorette and other diecast brands, and recently has acquired Jada. The left one is a 2015 version, as the year it was first released. It also exists in that same year in a red and white livery color scheme. The right one is a 2017 first release. I have not seen any other versions of it being released since then. The one on the left has been released in 2018 as a Toy Fair model, and in 2019 it will be released in red with the Union Jack on the roof, and there will also be a Hong Kong limited edition in a Christmas livery. So let's take a look at the cars. Let's open up the first one. Got a very nice packaging with the car on some kind of a slope. Makes it look very dynamic in my opinion. It's held down with one screw that is very tight. I've loosened it before I did this video, because otherwise this tool does not work to get it off, unfortunately. It's very tiny. It's proper 1/64 scale. To give you a comparison, this is the Matchbox Mini in 1/51 scale, so you can see it is way bigger. So let's take a closer look at it. So you got the Mini Light wheels on it. It's got a nice British racing green. It's got all kinds of details. Got the stripe on the side, the door handle, the white rear view mirrors. It's got lens headlights. It's got the chrome grille, the indicator lights also on the side here. It's got the Mini badge, stripes on the hood or bonnet. A lot of detail. On the back you get the tail lights, Mini badge. Get the chrome ring around the windows, at least in the back and in the front. This white top is plastic. The body is metal. The base seems to be metal too. Yeah, seems to be. 1/64 Mini Cooper. It's held down with the screw in the front and some kind of a rivet in the back. So it's got a nice interior. We will look at the interior on the other one, but as you can see here, the top piece is plastic, and that's because they use one casting for both versions. So as you might see here, inside it is open. On the inside the plastic top is open, and then this is just a cover to cover the hole. So this way they can use same casting for two different versions, for the closed version and the soft top version. Very cool. It rolls very nicely. And of course the tires are rubber. So very tiny little cool car. Very nice version of it. And the other one, got pretty much the same details, same mini light wheels, although the indicators here are silver instead of orange. So it's a little different between the two. And the mirrors are the same color as the car, and not white like the roof is. Same in the back. And here you got the soft top in plastic. The little wind deflector here. And then let's take a look at the interior. It's got the proper steering wheel. Same base, 64 Mini Cooper. So, two very cool versions of the Mini. Very nicely done by Schuco. All the details are there. Great brand to collect. So that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.